The quotient rule can be used to find the derivative of the quotient of differentiable functions. So this rule can be proven using the product rule and chain rule, which we'll learn later. But for now we can remember it using a simple mnemonic. So the derivative of this function is low d high. So the low function multiplied by the derivative of the upper function minus high d low over the lower function squared. Let's differentiate this function, which is a quotient of two functions. So the derivative we can obtain using the mnemonic low d high. So we keep the lower function constant and differentiate the upper function. And then minus high d low. So we keep the top function constant and differentiate the bottom function. And that's divided by low squared.